hey, to upload photos on your Google Drive, all you have to do is just to click on the left upper corner on the new and then select to upload file. Now open all files that you have on your PC. And now let's say that I want to get something from pictures, and I'm gonna go into the screenshots. So now if you want to select only one photo, just click on it with the left mouse button and click to open. But also you can just simply click and hold with the left mouse button and select wherever you want, like for example, like 200 photos or even more. And now to upload them, just click open. But for sure that's only example, so I'm gonna pick only one photo. This one I have to click open. And now as you can see on the right bottom corner, I can actually follow this upload. And when I click on this icon, I can show the file location. So that's actually the photo that I just upload into my Google Drive. So yeah, that's how it looks. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.